Hello and welcome back to another episode of Skids and Donuts, where today we're going to be 6D carbon fibre wrapping the BMW interior. Now you might be wondering, why do I want to do this? And in my opinion, the interior is just a bit dated now. And the thing is with BMW, they focus on the actual driving experience, so how the car feels, the power you get out of it, etc. And with spending so much time, money and research into developing the actual drive of the car, they've neglected the interior just a bit, and you can pretty much find the exact same interior in most BMWs for the last 15 years or so. So let's show you what I've actually got. Now starting with the wrap itself, this is a quote-unquote 6D carbon fibre. It looks pretty good. I've cut a piece off to test my skills, and they're still shit. In with that kit you also get one of these felt swiper card things, pretty cool. One box cutter, scalpel, spare scalpel blades, and this thing. Now I don't have any trim removal tools, so I'm going to try and use this orange spatula they gave me. Most of these should just pop off, I believe. I don't think any of them are screwed in, so let's tackle these and see how much we break.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
I'm just saying, if you do this for a job, it's fair play, because I did not know how bloody difficult it was. You can see I've just chopped that bit there, but I've never done this before. I just know you need to use heat and you need to stretch it, so that's the first attempt. I'm going to redo this anyway because I balls that bit up. But let's try and get it in the camera. The first attempt, I mean, yeah, the corners are a bit naff, but it's not bad. So I'm going to take this off, I'm going to redo it again, and hopefully not run out of wrap for the rest of the car.
melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
God, the torture is over. I've finally finished all of it. So we've got everything's done. It looks fun. It's, you know, not a professional job by any means. There's a few creases and stuff, but overall, for my first time doing something like this, I am massively happy. So let's get all these bits and chuck them back in the car. But just before we start piecing the interior back together, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you very much, and I'll massively appreciate it if you click that big red subscribe button down below. Anyway, let's get this piece back in. Right, that's all installed, so how about we do a little clip for the final reveal. That brings us to the end of the video now. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you do wrapping yourself as a hobby or as a profession, chuck a comment down below and let other people know how to actually do this, because this is not a how-to guide. Anyway, catch you in the next video.